Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. Today I will show you guys how to share any documents, photos and whiteboard and also your screen on the Zoom. So before starting my video, I request you guys to please subscribe my channel and make a like on this video. So let's get started. So as normally, we will have to go to the Zoom and enter into a meeting. So here we are in our meeting. So to share any documents, we will just click on the share button, which is here. Okay, we will just click on the share button. Okay, after clicking on the share button, some icons come in front of us. So I will just tell you guys and show you guys how to share whiteboard in your meeting at first. Okay, so share our whiteboard. We will just click on the share whiteboard icon, which is on the below of the list and at the last of the list. Okay, we will just only click this icon once, and then a whiteboard comes in front of us where we can just say write anything or draw anything as we wish. We can also just erase all this, write something. Okay, choose colors, shapes and many other things. Yeah, understand. We can also just write text, and also we can just select many things or the pointer here. So we have done. So to end your share button, whiteboard, we will just click on the cross button on the top. Okay, so after making a little click, our our whiteboard will be just stopped after we click on this stop here. Okay, stop share. So our stop whiteboard sharing is just stopped. As I told, I will just show you guys how to share any documents. Now just let's see that. Here we will also just select the share button again, and to share any document, we will just click on this document icon. Okay, just see again on the document icon to share any document, such like I will just select a documents from my documents folder. Okay, then I will just click on that, and suppose I just want to share this PDF viewer. I would just like to remember you guys that it mostly just helps you to show or share the PDF files, not the Word files. Okay, that's important. So please just print that and make it into a PDF. So I will just click on this PDF file, and we will just click share. Don't just think that it will just get started for sharing without clicking the share button, which is on the right top corner. Okay, we will just have to share the document by clicking on the share. Here we can see that here is the document, which is just written like hello, hi everyone. We can just do many things here draw something like this, oval shape, highlighter, and many other things. Okay, and so now we will just stop this by clicking on the stop share. Okay, after clicking stop share, it will just stop. So now in this way, you guys can also just share your screen, the thing that are you watching in your device's screen. Understand? This will just share your own screens, own device's screen to the other participants who are in this meeting. So to just share your own screen, you will just click on the screen only screen named icon. So after just clicking on the screen share option, our screen will be just displayed to our partners who are just in the meeting as participants. Okay, they are just watching my own screen or my own device's screen. You can also just note here that here is a Google and something like this. You guys can just stop share by clicking on the red button here. So now I will just stop my share. Okay, just so now I will just click on the stop share button and the screen share will be just stopped. Okay guys, now we are just successful in telling you guys and showing you guys how to share any documents or screen showing your whiteboard to your participants. In the share button here are also some other icons which you guys can also use for sharing anything to your participants. So now I'm just ending this meeting and also my video. And before ending my video, I just request you guys to please subscribe my channel once, and please give a like and hit the like button. Okay, goodbye everyone. See you in the next video.